What's up everybody, Chef Glenn Ben, I'm back in the kitchen, and this is one of my favorite things to do after Thanksgiving is making a great soup. You might not have the time to make your own stock. This is the soup for you. This is a quick soup, quick but quality soup. So just like every other recipe, it always starts with good quality ingredients. I'm gonna start by sauteing my onions, leeks, and fennel. Got my onions, leeks, and fennel. I'm gonna let this soften and turn fragrant about 6 to 8 minutes. All right, this has begun to soften. It's really nice and fragrant. I've got some celery and carrots that I need to add. All right, we're gonna saute that up for about 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic to the pot. Dried thyme. I've got some pepper flakes, some crushed red pepper. I'm gonna add in my chicken broth. I'm gonna toss in my bay leaf, and I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer. Get a boil on it and then reduce it to a simmer. All right, so I got a simmer on the soup. I'm gonna go ahead and add my orzo. So I'm gonna simmer this for 15 minutes. I'm ready to add my turkey and my baby kale. All right, so I've got my shredded turkey and baby kale. As the soup begins to simmer with the turkey and the kale, I want to just taste it to make sure that we're good on the flavor, make sure we don't need anything. Needs a little bit of salt. And fresh cracked black pepper. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat off, and I'm gonna finish my soup with some fresh lemon juice. That's gonna obviously brighten up the flavor. The soup is done. The wine that I'm pairing with the soup is the 2021 Eisele Vineyard Sauvignon Blanc. This is from Napa Valley. No delay. It's got a bit of a green hue to it, a little golden green hue. Very tropical on the nose. Pineapple immediately jumps out at me. Little mango as well. Really tropical. Let's give this a taste. Medium bodied on the palate, really surprisingly creamy. Beautiful little punch of acidity, really fresh. And that tropical, those tropical flavors, wow, just throughout the entire taste, I guess, if for lack of a better word, tropical fruit throughout, and long finish. Really, really good, really high quality Sauvignon Blanc. Now this pairing is about the general pairing. It's about the general pairing of Sauvignon Blanc. If you can get a hold to an Eisele Vineyard Sauvignon Blanc, fantastic. But if you can't, you could just find the best Sauvignon Blanc that you can possibly find. It's gonna pair perfectly with this. We want something light because the soup is light, right? So let me get into this bowl. That is delicious. We want something that we don't have to spend too much time with. Literally, you can get this soup done after the prep, 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, this is done. And even though it's a quick soup, it pairs perfectly with a good wine. Let's make sure I'm not lying to you on that. Let's see if it pairs. Oh. Wow. They perfectly just kind of work together. The wine is lifting the freshness of this soup. There's citrus in the wine that's marrying with the citrus that we finished the soup with. Oh man, but I gotta double check. Wow, the freshness of the herbs that we finished this with, every little detail adds to the quality and the depth of this soup, even though it's a quick soup. That is indeed a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.